Ready, set, go.
Pretty good. Who's next?
I am.
Okay, over here.
Rowan.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Here it goes.
Let me give it a shot. I can't even reach my leg.
Yeah, it is.
There we go.
That's cheating!
Okay. Soren, you ready?
We said leg.
Give it a shot, Soren.
Go
Give
for
my
it.
leg. Poison ivy on your leg.
You can do your leg or your arm. We'll let you do whatever sounds good.
Okay, good on my
That's
leg.
a high ball. You gonna do it, Ashlyn?
I can try.
You ready? Here's Ashlyn.
I got sauce all over my arm.
Your lips are too far apart. You're like, put them together. Put your lips together. Alright, Simon, your turn.
Pretty tame.
Partner.
Okay, Simon, do it.
I'm going to.
Oh, yeah, after you chew. And it's Simon's turn. Pretty good.
Still got some learning to do.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's pretty good.
Ready?
It's like a motorboat.
Rowan sounds like you dumped his shorts.
No. This is what Rowan sounds like. It sounds like he farted and then he put it into a box and then later, 100 years later, someone broke the box and it all came out.
Sounded like the fart was only part of it.
No, it exploded! It exploded the whole